Hey guys, Justin here with JHart Modelworks, and I have a Llivi with me again today. So we have managed to get some progress done on the model. She's doing the 66 Mustang, which it's the Hertz Edition GT350, which she is converting into a fastback. So I'm going to go ahead and turn things over to Llivi and let her kind of go over everything that she's done as far as she can remember.
So, we have rescribed the panel linings and all of the trim. We have sanded off the mold seam.
All the mold seams.
All of the mold seams.
We got all of them.
Attached the front and rear balances and filled in those seams as well. We had a really bad sink spot right here,
which we filled with some CA glue, right?
Oh yeah, CA glue.
And then rescribed out those panel lines after we did that.
Yeah. We drilled out the trunk locks, the door locks. We sanded off the door handles on both sides, drilled holes. We also drilled a hole for the mirrors. We have the antenna hole drilled out as well.
These are what we're using for the side mirrors. I printed off a set of my bullet side mirrors for her. And we removed the door handles because we're going to replace them with some 3D printed ones that I picked up as well. These are not mine. These do come off Colt's 3D though. Back to you.
Back to me. We sanded off the door pins. You can kind of still see them there though. It'll be okay. We're going to put decals, aren't we?
No.
No.
Photo etch.
Photo etch.
From ProTech.
From ProTech. And now we're going to struggle on getting the hood back on. We did add the window vents. They are in. We sanded the body. We sprayed 3 coats of Mr. Surfacer 1500 black primer. We then went over it with the 3 coats of Zero Paints Fine Silver Candy Base. That is a tongue. I think Dad's used the Zero Paints before.
Yes, I used it.
And proof that any minor imperfections show up like crazy. We've got that one there. A couple of scratches on the hood and whatnot. But so far, so good.
Alright guys, so that is going to wrap it up for the update. She's doing a great job. I'm helping her a little bit here and there. I did help her a good bit with the paint. Zero is hot paint. It's crazy paint. It's kind of hard to spray. So I let her spray a little and then she's like, Dad, do it, because I'm nervous. And I can get it, because Zero can eat plastic if you do it wrong. If this were something milder, I would probably just, have her do all of the paint work, but she's chosen some really hard paint with a really hard color setup as well. So I'm doing a bit of hand holding with her on the paint itself, but a lot of the prep, she did pretty much 90% of the prep herself. And the prep is a lot of work. Again, so there's not a lot of update because, we just don't get a whole lot of time together. She happened to have come home early from work tonight, and we had some opportunity because I'm working midnight shift, not midnight shift, I'm working the mid shift. So I'm working like the 11 a.m. to 9 o'clock at night shift. So I'm up late. She came home early. So it was like, hey, we can record. We have a little bit of time to record before I go to bed. So that's kind of, our schedules just don't
Always match.
Yeah, they don't match well at all. So a little bit of progress there. I'm not going to be doing an update video this week on the buddy build with Chris on the GT40. Chris went on vacation, and so he's not even getting any time to work on his, and I don't want to be putting out updates while he's not there. And the whole point of having a buddy build is to build with your buddies, you know, so we're usually talking and whatnot, and I don't really want to interrupt his, you know, vacation with his family. I've done a tiny bit of prep work with it. I'm probably close to ready for primer, but not a lot, like no real modifications. This is not a kit that I'm doing a lot of crazy modifications on, so I will probably do a video update next week when Chris has had some time to work on it as well, so that we can kind of, you know, get some build time working together and get some actual progress done, because there's really not much to really show you guys. So again, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Thanks for hanging out with us. I'm sure Llivi appreciates you watching as well. And we'll catch you on the next one. So they can't see us, so they can't see our lips move. So we can edit all of this out, and they will never know. The magic of editing.
Magic of editing.